Welcome back YouTubers to my channel of an everyday life of an Aspie. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you all. I'm Aspie. I'm all about creating mental health and awareness and sharing my life stories with spiritual syndrome and the like, along with tips and advice along the way, be it your general health versus your mental health, as well as every other bits and pieces in between. So if you haven't been following me right now, as you know, I'm out of action, and at this point of time I just recently uploaded a video based on what I've been up to in the public holiday weekend here in New Zealand of Waitangi weekend, and I was joined by FireTheLier. Obviously, he's always like, as he thinks that I'm always following like a lost penny or something. Doesn't he think? I think the other way, that sometimes we follow each other as a bad smile, sometimes haha, but hey, who knows. But anyways, moving on to that, we were obviously over that period decided to go out for, even though he said to me it was supposed to be a surprise for me, to go on the outskirts of Levin to this Murrayfields museum and cafe, just as a surprise, since that, you know, my folks live further down where I am at the moment, currently residing. And that I thought also in saying this, that we went to see some beloved friends that I obviously wanted to take home, but you'll soon see this piece later. And in saying this also, I went to see my parents just for a quick brief catch up, so hopefully you'll enjoy this anyway of what I'm about to show you with you all today, and sit tight and I'll be back with you shortly.
Aspie's new pet.
Yeah, I've got too many kids to carry on the way home.
She hasn't even bought it, but she's got it.
Yeah.
Funny that.
Yeah.
Hey matey.
Once it comes to class, I don't know.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Mini,
I don't know what they are. It looks like a snowball.
no, it's a...
Maybe that's what we'll name you, Snowball.
Oh, look at it. What's his belly right now? Oh. That's not so, mate.
Hey, you're the star of the show.
God, he's having a temper tantrum over there. Let's just put you go there.
Well guys, like it? Look, this is, I bought this for a mean $50. It's Aspie's new vehicle.
No, it's not.
It's even drivable. Look, gear stick, the steering wheel, and everything. All it needs is a paint job.
Thank you, Fire, but she needs a flash car, not that old heap of junk.
So you reckon that'd be really cool driving down the road in this? Oh yeah.
Yeah, back in the days.
Let's go.
Cheers, mate.
Need to try and, you know, test drive it soon.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Oh yeah, and one other thing, it might need a new seat, because there ain't a seat there. That's
Obviously, thank you to Fire bringing me this whole heap of junk for the $50. As I said before.
Look at her new wheels!
Yeah, look.
Look, the steering wheel even works.
Does it? Yeah, well, kindly does. Kind of jammed, you know, Fire. You know me, I was like to try to have a built for speeding. But anyway, speed, well, that will be a dangerous of Aspie. Knowing her, she'll have cop up her ass any day all night.
Oh yeah, she'll have cops up her ass for going 50k.
50k? You'd think I would do only 50k, Fire?
Well, good luck doing 70. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Aspie. Even comes with a number plate, and look, a crank start. Your favourite.
No, it's not. Too much work for me. You know, I hate exercise.
Does she really?
Yeah, the secret's out now, guys. I actually didn't break the, you know, record for boot camp.
And one other secret, I think we'll let it out now. We'll come over here. Look at that. Aspie bought a pet as well.
Yeah, 2 pets, as you'll see in the video.
His name's Horse.
Really?
Brown Horse.
No, I didn't name it Brown Horse.
Yeah.
I named it Peter. Obviously, we're back meeting my little friend, Peter the horse, not Brown Horse. Even though now we've got some friends with him. Well, obviously, so we can zoom around here. I'm growing my own little farm, obviously, over here. Maybe it's not actually a, what you call it. Yeah, okay, well, Big looks at right now. It looks like he wants to say hello, or someone does. The goat. The goat stays high, and so does the alpaca. He's obviously, out of curiosity, he's thinking, what the hell is going on, folks, over here? Am I the star attraction too? But got the goats and llamas and the ducks and whatever they are, the roosters and chickens. It brings back memories right now of being on a farm. I don't even know, yeah. Nice and quiet over there, obviously, so we saw our Hi guys! Obviously I'm back again. As you can see, and behind, in front of me here, obviously, my little pet friend, my ×2, including the cat. Meet Peter the horse, not brown horse or whatever Fly would say. How rude is that, don't you think? But let me know how you feel about it.
Here we go. Aspie's got to sit on her new little swing.
Do I have to fly? Do I have to?
Yeah.
I'm in a rush to go home.
Oh, look at that. Now we can really call her Mini Aspie.
Yeah, really? I hate to think.
Hold up, guys. We'll just get behind her.
Hopefully I can do this.
You ready? Here we go. Whoosh!
Not firing.
Whoosh!
Oh, we're not using the foot.
Look at that. Now we're getting her to swing. Mini Aspie's learnt to swing.
Oh no. Well, this quickly ends my little tiki tour outside Levin sort of thing. Hopefully you enjoyed this, guys. Smash the like. Follow me on my next journey if you want to, being on the fam wagon. You know the drill. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.